So guys, you're welcome back. In today's tutorial, like I said in the previous tutorial, that's the tutorial before this one, we are going to be concentrating just on the pocket making for this particular Bubu. In case you haven't seen the video from the making of the whole Bubu, the bodies, the neck piece, the sleeve and all that, please, I'll be leaving the link right in the description box, or just go back to my videos, the video right before this particular one. You're going to be seeing the making of this whole piece of beauty. Okay, so guys, without further ado, guys, let's dive right into the tutorial. But before that, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Give this video a like and let's dive right into the tutorial. Thank you once again for coming back, and like I stated in the previous video, that's the making of the Bubu itself. This is concentrated only to the making of the pockets because I do not want the previous video to be too long. And to get started with that, you make sure you separate the front from the back by opening it up and then folding the front only into two like so. And from this our neck piece area that's the facing for the front, you mark a width 2 to 2.5 inches away from that, and then diagonally you place your tape rule and then mark out 5 to 5.5 inches. That is the width of the opening of the pocket. So this is 5.5, and then I connect with a straight line diagonally like so, because that is the shape of the pocket. And next I pick it up like so that I can fold this point that I marked, that is diagonal line, and then I give it a good press. You know, this is just to make sure that I have that point visible. And from this point, that is from the first inches, you can see I give it a notch, a very little notch. Can you see that? This is the first point, and then at the other end again I give it another notch. Guys, can you see that? So this is the notch on both sides, and then I open up, and this is what it looks like on both ends. And now it's time for me to open up the pocket. So this is me opening up the pocket. This is the point that I marked out for the pocket, so this is what the opening looks like. So now it's time for us to start the main pocket making. So for that, this is the length. I'm going to be using the length of 15 inches. You can use any length you want. And for the width, to get the width of the pocket, what you need to put into consideration is the total width of the pocket. Okay, so for this pocket I have a total of 6 inches with the notching that I did later on, and for this I'm going to be adding 1 inch to the 6 inches to give me 7 inches. That is for the pocket itself. Okay, so now that we have that, I come back to the main body and I open up and I get the pocket. I place it at the right side of the Bubu like so. Can you see? I place it on the opening, making sure that I have my 1/2 inch on both sides well represented. So this is the 1/2 inch on both sides of the pocket. Okay, so now that I have that, the next thing is now for us to stitch this down together using 1/4 of an inch all the way like so. So you carefully pick this up. Let's move straight to the stitching machine, and then I'll show you guys what to do. But before then, this is what you are supposed to do. You place it like so. Can you see? And let me just mark out just for better illustration. So this is the point you're going to be stitching all the way. You can see that. Okay, so let's now move to the stitching machine. So at the stitching machine, once you get to the stitching machine, you make sure you still hold it down like so, and then you place on your stitching machine down like so. Can you see? So from the other end you stitch 1/2 inch all the way to the other end as well. So this is how the first stitching, the first step of the stitching of the pocket goes. So you cut out every single thread and you turn the pocket to the inside or the other side of the Bubu. You can see like you tuck it in kind of. So you tuck it in, but you're not going to be pulling everything inward. You're going to be leaving about 1/2 inch or 3/4 of that out, like you can see me do. So you're not going to be pulling everything inside out. So you just tuck it in like so. Just watch exactly what I am doing. And by the time you turn to the back side or the reverse side of the dress, this is what it should look like. And see that I have about 3/4 of the pocket folded out, folded upward, and then I give it a good press so that it will lay flat. So at the back part of the dress, you also give it a good press, and after that you turn back to the right side of the Bubu and then you top stitch on this stitching line. Can you see? You top stitch very neatly on this stitching line. Make sure it is very neat, and this is exactly what I mean by the top stitching. You can see you top stitch at the stitching line, that's the stitching of the pockets to the bodies of the Bubu. So it's top stitch very neatly at that point, and after the stitching, this is how neat it should be looking. You can see you are almost not seeing any stitch, like any thread at the right side of the Bubu. So this is what it should look like. So you turn back to the back part of the Bubu and then you fold over the pocket like so. So at this point, you're going to be picking up the upper part of the pocket, that's the upper part of the opening. Holding the two together, making sure that everything is well aligned. Make sure you are very careful at this point. So this is what it should look like, the placement as well, just like we did to the first part of the pocket stitching. This is the same thing you are going to be doing to this one. So you are going to be stitching both down using the 1/4 inch that we did previously. So to better explain what I mean, coming over to the stitching machine, this is what you should do. Okay, it's not too different from what we did initially. So you just stitch, but in stitching, make sure that this part of the pocket, you raise it up so that you don't stitch it down, because if you stitch it down, you have to open up and then loosen and start all over again. So you stitch this down just like we did to the previous one, and after we've done stitching that, you cut off all your threads, and after that, you at this point make sure you weave all these points that you're stitching. You don't leave it open like so. And after that, this is what we have. This is what it's looking like at the outside part, and also you give it a good press. And at this point, you can see this our notched part area. This is the point you should be very pay very close attention to this point. So at this point, you can see that I pulled out that notching part and then I iron it. Okay, I iron that part, and if I open up like so, you can see this is what it's looking like. You can see how neat and flat it is looking. And at the outer part again, I also give it a good press so that it is well laid. So at this point again, I tuck in that notched, like a pointy kind of, I don't know if you can see what exactly I'm trying to explain. So you give it a good press as well. At the reverse side also, you give that, so you can see what it's looking like at the outer part of the bubu. So by the time you fold over at this point, you are going to be stitching down this point. Can you see? So you carefully stitch that point, and then you stitch all the way down to the pocket area like so. I hope you understood what I was trying to explain here. I hope you do. And then at the other part as well, you stitch from the pocket, and then coming over to that point, make sure that this point, like you are very careful, so that if you are not careful enough, this place is going to be looking tacky, and that is not what we want. So you stitch all the way up and down like so. And after stitching, guys, this is what you should have as your pocket. Can you see this is what it's looking like? This is what we should have. Can see how neat and flat it is looking. So guys, at this point our pocket is ready, and do not forget to iron every step all the way. So this is one of the pockets ready and done, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to the second part of the pocket. And at the back, this is what you should have. Like I said, make sure you weave. So let's get the second done. So this is what our pocket looks like, guys. Our pocket for our bubu is set. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Please let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to give this video a like. Guys, at this point, like I stated in the previous video, you just stitch the side using 1/2 inch, and also you fold the hem of the dress using the 2 inches that we added. And guys, our bubu is set. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.